¿Cómo soy yo? ¿Qué digo yo? ¿Qué hago yo? ¿Qué carajo te importa? Vive tu vida, yo vivo la mía.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am very excited because I just got a new camera and I organized all my makeup in my makeup drawer, my makeup vanity or whatever it's called, and so everything's all organized, and I really want to touch some makeup that I haven't in a long time, or makeup that I bought and just opened the package and looked at it. So I kind of want to get into all my makeup, and I have a lot of motivation, so let's see what kind of look we come up with. So I'm just gonna pick a bunch of random items and I'm going to try to use them on my face. I already have them all set out here on my table. Primer, poreless primer. This I bought a long time ago, and I'm not saying like years old, like I bought them quite a while ago. I just never got to touch it. This is just like I don't know, like a poreless primer. Make your pores smaller. It has like a little greasy feel to it. Okay, so now that I got that on my face, I got a really smooth base. Like this feels like, I don't know, but I can't even freaking open my product now. My hands are all slippery. But I do know that like that slippery base is not gonna do well with my foundation, because like usually when I go out and stuff, I need like a sticky primer or something sticky, because my makeup tends to slide and I sweat a lot. So I'll be right back after I do my brows. So I'm in the middle of doing my eyebrows off camera because it takes me way too damn long. And one thing I wanted to say was this, like, this primer is so, like, so freaking, I don't even think it's a primer, to be honest. It's a instant pore eraser, so that means you just put it on where you have pores and that's it. I don't know, it's really weird, and my face, like, it's like a weird feeling, like a velvety feeling, and I don't think I'm feeling it. I really should have put it on my eyebrows. Okay, so I guarantee you that my eyebrows are gonna slip off tonight, like, guarantee you, because that is not no primer. This is a pore eraser and that's it. So that was already one fail, but so that they don't come off, I'm going to be using the 24-hour brow setter. Okay, and next I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using a eyeshadow primer, and that is the Smilani eyeshadow primer. Okay, so before I start my eyeshadow, I wanted to show you guys something that was really cool, and it's these beauty blenders. I hope it's not backwards in the camera, but they're so cute. I just had to, and sadly I'm gonna take one out of the package, but hopefully they're good. I got these at Marshall's. And as for the makeup look, I want to use this purple for sure, but I don't know what to mix with purple. Like, I don't know, so I'm thinking right now this one. Okay, I'm gonna be using this color, this peach color. You guys can see I'm gonna be using a white concealer. Okay, and now I'm gonna be going with a brown color. I'm gonna use the color Cocoa from the Daisy Marquez palette, and it's just a dark brown. Yes, it looks really soft. Now the reasoning why I use a white concealer, and usually it's really hard to get rid of that white color, is because I'm going to be putting like a purple right on top of it, just a regular purple eyeshadow. That way it looks like the color is really bold. I'm going to cover all that white with this purple. Okay, so this makeup already looks really nice by itself, but I said I was gonna use the purple, so I'm gonna be using this purple. Also, if you guys want to see my nails, this is how they look. They're just matte, and if anybody was wondering, so Just gonna put this right on top. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the face. I picked the sponge out of that sponge collection because I don't know, I feel like I never used a sponge like this before. So we're gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend foundation. This is my favorite one. Also, by the way, the primer I used was this Too Faced. I don't think it's gonna load or focus, but it's this Too Faced Do You face primer, and it's so cute. Like, it literally smells like watermelons. It smells so freaking good. And then it's like a shimmery, like, you know when you put that that body shimmer stuff on your skin, like that's how it is on your face too. And it was all over my hands. I actually had to go wash my hands before I touched a bunch of stuff and got glitter everywhere. But it's just to give you like a glowy look. Super cute. And it smells so good. But my nose, let me tell you, my nose looks really good. Like, it doesn't look bumpy at all. It looks so smooth. Holy, it looks really smooth. I don't know if you can see that, but. And then like this primer looks so freaking pretty. Okay, so the bronzer I think would look really pretty with this look is the butter bronzer, just because it's like a matte color. I'm gonna be applying this. So I'm gonna be using the Bellini Peach palette and use a peach color. So this one, the Just Peachy color. And because I use that purple eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this purple highlight. It's like a holographic highlight. It's almost the same color as that purple. The NYX XXL Lingerie. Okay guys, so that is the completed look. This is how everything looks together. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and trying out these products again or like for the first time with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.